Welcome back to Tiger in the Kitchen. It's Pam here and today let's make Thai omelette or kai jiao. Listen to this. Crispy, very basic but yummy. Let's jump into it. I'm gonna be using 3 large eggs. Now the eggs you're using have to be in room temperature in case some of you store the eggs in the fridge. Then I'm gonna season with just fish sauce. Very simple. There are so many ways to season the omelette. Even myself season it differently depending on my mood or what's handy. You can use soy sauce, oyster sauce, whatever you like. Just add some salty element. Okay? And an acid from a lime will help the egg white holds the air more, which when we pour the eggs in the hot oil, it will be crispy. It won't affect the taste at all since we're just gonna use a few drips. Alright, crack the eggs in the bowl. For fish sauce or soy sauce, use just about a couple teaspoons for 3 eggs, and then beat until they're combined nicely. Squeeze 4 to 5 drops of lime juice. Then beat again. And I'm gonna use a colander when pouring the eggs in an oil, kind of like how you make tempura. Small drips gathering together turn out crispy. We're using quite a lot of oil because basically we're just gonna deep fry the eggs. To control the size of the eggs, I'm using a pot to fry, and in order to make it crispy, the type of oil is also a factor. So use the high smoking point like sunflower oil, palm, canola, or healthier one would be avocado. Olive oil won't make things crispy. You can check more details about the oil from the description box, and we're on medium-high heat right now. Wait until it's hot to see if there's some smoke. A kitchen thermometer is not a popular kitchen gadget in Thai cuisine, so we have our simple ways to check the heat. We'll drip the eggs into the oil like this. If it does this immediately, then it's ready. Then pour the eggs through a colander. Wow, look how fluffy. And turn the heat down to medium to avoid burning the egg. Let them fry for about 3 to 4 minutes, or you can just use a spatula to check if it's already golden brown under. And flip the egg. Leave it cook for another 3 minutes. Then you can turn the heat off and shake off the excess oil as much as you can. Get your hot steamed rice ready and have it with ketchup. Sriracha hot sauce is going pretty well with it. Or this Thai table condiment called prik nam pla or chili fish sauce, which you can check out the link how to make it easily at home in description of this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like having kai jiao or Thai omelette, leave this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Thai and Asian recipes every week and see you again next video. สวัสดีค่ะ